welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Glove Collaborative subscription. This is a monthly subscription, but you do get the option to skip, and once you have skipped, it allows you to choose what date you would later like to have your subscription sent out, which I really do appreciate that option, because sometimes I order so much stuff, I have an abundance of things and I really don't need anything at that time, or it's just not in my budget. So I really appreciate that option that they give you online, and I really do enjoy their products, and I always share what I got with you guys. I just got this box in today, so I want to jump on here and share it with you. But before we get into the video, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, let's just open up this box and share with you everything that I got in this month's subscription. And I would love for you guys to stay to the end, because I am going to be sharing with you just a few of my favorites, things that I have ordered from Glove Collaborative, and I really like them. I decided that I would share some of my favorites with you guys, and it was kind of a request by one of my subscribers. Her name is Kendra. She suggested I share some of my favorites with you guys, so that I will be doing that at the end of the video. So let's just take out this paper. Okay guys, the first item out the box is a stoneware tray, and this is the Wildfire collection. I think it's something new for the spring. It is dishwasher safe. So we're gonna open this up and see how it looks. And is there something else? Something else was in the box. Nah, I thought something else was in the box, but there's nothing else in here. So that is really pretty, guys. It has a really spring design on it. This is to use to sit by your sink, to place. I probably would place like my dish soap, hand lotion, and some hand soap on this tray, or I might just sit my scrubber. I think I did order the scrubber to go with this, and I just think this is so pretty. I'll let you guys look at that design again. I think this is the Wildfire design, and it came out for the spring. I'm gonna just sit that right there. And the next item is the Bubble Up. This is a dish brush set. I had never ordered any of the dish brush sets, but they had them for a while. You just you store it neatly on your countertop, and it is ready to spring into action whenever you need it. That's what it says on the back of the box here. Add soap and water to the spring load ceramic base. Move the brush up and down to generate the foam, and clean dishes and admire their sparkle. We'll refill with soap and water as necessary. So let's just open this up. So here is the brush here, and I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. Like I said, it's not new. Only thing new about this is the design of the container here, and it has the like spring inside, and I guess you take that out and just add your soap, and then just kind of press your brush down like that. So this is just the Wildfire design. So like I said, I probably would place it on my countertop like that with this here, and maybe some dish soap and one of my all-purpose sprays, or I might just try to squeeze my lotion and my hand soap on the tray. It depends. We'll see. I'm gonna see how it works out. So the next thing is a Wildfire European dishcloth. And okay, I'm going to read to you guys what it says on the back, because this is, I thought it was going to be like an actual cloth material, but this is almost like, I don't know what type of material, like paper, but it is a strange material. So I'm going to read to you what's on the back. It says, once you try our European dishcloth, you may wonder why you ever needed paper towels. This durable, absorbent sponge cloths are perfect for mopping up any area. When you want to clean them, simply pop them in the dishwasher to easy disinfect, reduce waste while making your home sparkling clean, the best kind of multitasking. So I guess you can use these in place of paper towels. You won't always have to use your paper towels. They say it's very absorbent. So I don't know about this. I guess I kind of should have read more about it before I ordered it, because I thought it was just regular dishcloth. I don't know. It's a sponge cloth, and it says it's perfect for mopping up any messes. It said you'll wonder why you'll ever need paper towels again. So I guess you would use this, like I said, instead of paper towels. So I'm definitely gonna have to try that out and see how that works. And let me see what else. So guys, the only other item that I have is the mint dish soap, and this is one of my favorite items that I order from Globe Collaborative. I love their dish soap. You don't have to use a lot. They come in wonderful scents. I just love the scent of them. Lemon verbena, and it's another one, like a, not mint, not this, because this is new. I think this is my first time trying this, but I know lemon verbena is one of my favorites. So I'm going to just grab the products that I have down here and share with you my favorite products. And guys, I want to apologize if you hear my neighbor's dog barking. I really apologize for that. So I do have like 1 or 2 beauty items that I ordered from Globe Collaborative, but I'm going to start with the cleaning products because they are my favorite. So I'm just sit this here, and then I'm going to grab the cleaning products. So the first one that I have is the Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner. I use this mainly in my bathroom, and it works well. I actually use more than one product in my bathroom, but this is one of the ones that I do use in my bathroom. I love the way it smells, and I love the way it cleans. It cleans really, really good. And the next item that I use in my bathroom, as you see, I use this one a lot. I don't know if you can tell, but it's almost gone. I should have ordered one of these when I did this order, but I didn't realize that it was all, you know, that it was almost all gone, because like I said, I go back and forth between this one and the one that I just showed you. So this is the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner, and I like to use this in my shower. I would use this along, depending on how if my shower is just not, you know, not too dirty, then I would use this. And I also use the Magic Mark, the little foam cleaner. I use that to clean in my bathroom too. If my, you know, tub or shower is really, really grimy, then I will use that. This is one of my favorites. I mostly use this on a daily basis. But like I said before, I usually go back and forth between these two cleaning products in my bathroom. So the next, and if you see me reaching down, I'm just, this little side table here has another level, and I just placed the products down there that I want to share with you guys. So this is the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean wood cleaner. And I love this stuff, guys. I love the way it smells. It has kind of like a, to me, it smells like a kind of like an almond smell. It has a unique smell to it. And when you clean your wood furniture with this product, it scents up your whole house. It would have a lingering scent inside of your home. A lot of times, if I just want to freshen up, maybe in my family room, and I don't have that much wood furniture in there, but the little bit that I do have, I just clean with this product here. Like I said, it just gives the house a really nice smell. So this is definitely one of my favorites to clean my wood furniture, and it gives it a nice shine. I really like this product here. And the next item is my room refresher. I really like this. I don't think it's really meant to spray on your linen. I just mainly, you know, once I clean my room, if I want to just refreshen it a little bit, I will spray a lot of this. Well, not a lot of it. You actually only have to spray just a little bit because it is kind of strong. This is in the honeysuckle scent, which is one of my favorites, and I have been using this for a while. You just spray a little bit. That's all it takes, just like one pump, and that's all you need to freshen up your whole room. And it smells really, I had to look there. I think I sprayed it in the candle. It started flickering. I was like, oh, I don't want to set nothing afire. But yeah, you just spray it, like, I can just smell it now. Smells so good, guys. I wish you could just smell it. It just smells good. Like I said, one pump, and I have a pretty good size master bedroom, but it doesn't matter what room that you're spraying it in, it actually will scent the whole room. I mean, and it has a lingering scent, like I said. Their products are natural, but they are very effective, and I really do love the room freshener. And I ordered one in another scent. I didn't care too much for it, but the honeysuckle is my favorite, and I really like it. I have two beauty products that I really like. The Burt's Bees lip chap or chap balm, lip balm. I ordered one a couple of months ago, and I really liked it. So I went on to order two more in different shades, and they just, like I said, just give your lips just a slight tint, and I really do like that. So it's good for me to wear on a daily basis. You know, like I said, I don't wear makeup every day, but when I just want a little color to my lips, you know, to freshen up my face, I'll use one of them lip balms. So the next item is this pubic stone here. I ordered this maybe 3 months ago, and I have been using it off and on in the shower. I don't do it every day, but I just, when, you know, in the summertime, you know, you have your feet out and you want your feet to look really good. So in between my pedicures, I have been using this pubic stone, I think that's how you say it. And it works really good. I end up ordering my daughter one, and she loved it. This is a perfect item to use. Like I said, in between pedicures, it will keep your feet looking awesome, and I really do like it. So guys, that was the last item of my favorites that I wanted to share with you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, comment down below and let me know any other subscriptions that I do on my channel that you would like me to review. And give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. As always, guys, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.